Welcome. In front of me I have the iPhone Air, and today I'll be showing you how you can apply privacy tempered glass to your device. So for this purpose I'll be using this one, the H9 privacy glass, iPhone CCBBK company, I guess. And yeah, not much to it, so let's just whip it out. There we go. Now if you have never seen a privacy glass before, they are kind of weird. So great, so here I can kind of show it. You can see it disappears at an angle, like straight up, just vanishes from view. So one thing that I want to warn you about before you even go for such a glass is that because this is working based on like how you're looking and how the light reflects off of it, you will find an angle where your one eye has the privacy glass already kick in if you like twist the display. So if you're holding your phone at an angle, your one eye already gets the privacy glass kick in while the other one still sees the display. And your brain will start to be kind of confused about this, so it will feel weird to your eye, or eyes as both of them, when you have this kind of effect. You're looking, everything looks sharp, normal, right? But then one eye can't see something that the other one can. It just kind of bugs the mind a little bit there. So be wary of that. Personally, to me, it's a little bit kind of annoying when I see this. So I personally don't like it. But hey, maybe you're not bothered by this whatsoever, which is fine. Now in here we also have some instruction on how to apply it. I'm pretty sure that's what I'm here for. And then we got all our wipes and all that stuff. So there we go. We have stickers. We have our microfiber cloth in the best color. And we have our wet wipe or towel. Anyway, now I will first need to peel off the screen protector that is already applied here. So let's first take off the case. I'm gonna also grab my nice little mat that I have for this. Boop. And I'm gonna yoink that off. There we go. So that's off. Now grab your wet wipe. Try it again. There we go. And now that seems like it's wet. Oh wow. Come on, unfold. There we go. Okay, so let's give it a nice little clean to the device. Okay, now that it's clean, you can also grab this microfiber and just give it a nice wipe. So all the moisture from this wet wipe is gone, and so there's no smudges and all that crap. Next, we're gonna grab this. Now this is optional. If you're in a relatively clean room or you just want to deal with this, that's completely fine. So if you have any kind of dust settle on your display, you can use the sticker to just kind of like do something like this to plop it on there and remove this dust, or you can just grab the fiber cloth and just wipe the dust off. Next, grab your tempered glass, and when you peel this thing off, and it's right here, I'm gonna hold it by the bezels like so. So I'm gonna just get rid of that crap. I'm gonna peel that off. There we go. And I'm gonna start applying it. Now the way I apply it is by holding it at an angle. So just gonna move the phone. You can see I will hold it like this. So my right hand is a bit higher, well, basically definitely high, while the my left one is, well, basically not holding this at all. I'm just kind of gonna shift the display left and right, so it's positioned evenly spaced right here and right here. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. And you can, with your left hand, with your right hand, you can just push it up or down depending on how far you think it should go. so it's evenly spaced out at the top and at the bottom. And then slowly lower it down, so you can make sure that it is, again, evenly spaced out, and then just straight up drop it. And you can see it's slowly gluing itself. I'm going to just give it a little help. Yeah, let's just speed that up. There we go. So it is applied, and taking a look at this, it's actually applied pretty evenly, I would say. So I would give myself a pat on the back because I did a pretty good job right here. Now, with the privacy glass enabled, you might lose just a little bit of brightness, so your screen might look a bit dimmer. And now you can see if I shift it to the side, it just gets slightly dimmer at specific angles and then just poof, vanish. Now this vanishing point is about 45 degrees. So this is about 45 degrees from the camera. At like 30, you can still see it. And obviously, I can just straight on, that's fully visible. So there we go. And like I mentioned, the kind of discrepancy will be with the with your eye where it's at an angle, and from one side you might see it normally while the other one kind of becomes more visible. As you can see, I am holding it at the same kind of angle right now, and it vanishes because the camera has a higher angle right here. Well, if I move it back, it starts to be visible. So this is just kind of, I'm trying to show this off with the camera. So when you're holding your device to your close to your face, and you shift it to the side, you will see this. Now it might not be full kind of one eye has a completely not visible display, one has. It will be just subtle difference where just on one eye you see this image a bit dimmer, and it gets very wonky to your brain that one eye sees something that isn't the same as the other. And to me, this just kind of gives me like a weird feeling to my eye, which I personally don't like. But anyway, as a privacy, obviously it works. People from a like 45-degree angle can't see your display whatsoever. So there we go. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.